welcome back to our channel and Play and Go! Ini kita lagi malam-malam. It's already night actually. We are in Gracia Spa. Yeah, it's hot spring actually.
But there's a cold water.
Yeah. So, is it long way here to get here?
Yes.
Ya, agak jauh ya. Kita dari Bandung tadi berangkatnya jam 4:30.
Bandung ke Lembang and then all the way from here.
Yes, okay. Actually, it takes like 2 hours from Bandung to here. And then if you want to go here, it's better to get here early. So like at 3 or 4, yeah. And then,
Came here at 5.
yeah, and it was rainy before, right? Yes.
Because every time it rains here.
Nah, so kalau kesini tuh kita lewat jalan raya Subang Bandung. Itu setelah ada The Ranch yang baru. Itu ya sebelah kanan. Jadi kita ke kanan, agak pelangnya agak nggak kelihatan sih, jadi hati-hati nyasar. Oke, nah, nanti ada pelangnya Gracia. Nah, masuk dari situ terus ke jalan sini nyampe deh. Jadi cuman tinggal lewatin belokannya aja sih yang rada susah. Oke, let's keep follow us and let's go. Oh, it gets rain. Okay guys, we are already inside the hot spring.
Yes, hot spring.
Yeah, it's full. So it's so relaxing, right?
It's hot.
It's warm.
It's warm, but it's a little bit hot.
We can still enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
So have you ever visited the
This way?
hot spring, another hot spring?
No.
No, never.
I only went with the TSM and the one.
That's not SM.
Also the one that we did the shooting one.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's so relaxing, right?
But it's kind of deep, so we're not allowed to swim.
Yes, you're not allowed to get to the deep. area.
You just go here, I guess.
Actually, it's really nice because the weather is cold right now.
Right now because it's raining.
Yeah, it was raining, and
So
then
now it's relaxing.
we can enjoy the warm hot spring. So, if you visit hot spring like this, would you like to visit it in the day or like this at night?
At
In the
night.
evening?
I think at night.
At night, yeah, because at night already colder, right? So
Yeah.
you can enjoy.
But night is colder, but the warm weather is much hotter this time.
I love this
Shut
place
up, Oh, but I'm just scared if she went in.
because the area is quite cool. It's like cafe. It's like cafe, but there
a hot
are
spring.
pools here.
There's a hot spring.
Yeah, there are 4 pools here,
4.
yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then 4.
and on the side of the pool they have tables, so we can order the food from the canteen, food and beverage, and then we can enjoy it there after swimming.
After swimming, or just we could.
Yeah, and then there is on the side of the pool there's TV also, so we can watch soccer, right? You tell me that I can watch soccer from here, right, Cheryl?
Come on.
So guys, have you ever visited a nice hot spring in Bandung?
Only.
Tell us please, which place did you have visited? So this Gracia spa, it can be one of your option if you want to enjoy hot spring. You can stay here also. They have like
Hotel.
villa. No, they have villa.
Like a house.
So you can
Like a
stay
house.
with your family and spend the time here.
I think it's
And then
like
the
a
ticket
hot-
for the
like
hot
a-
spring, I think it's 100,000 rupiah. It's 100k.
Enak ya?
And then for the villa,
Cool, ya kan?
it's around 2 until 4 million, I think. It's quite expensive, but it's worth it to enjoy it here. Okay, guys, let's get relaxed. Ariel suka nggak di sini? Suka berendam? Warm ya? Mau ke yang deep nggak? Sama saya juga. Oh enggak, oh iya. Oke.
Let's go into the hot one. Relaxing kan? Like you're relaxing in a hot spring.
Yes.
Oh god.
Masa gendong gitu? Kayak Cheryl tadi nggak gini deh berasa. Ini mah digendong deh. Tadi mah enggak. Ya. Ya. Oh iya nyampe kok. Nyampe dasarnya.
I got it.
Your hair not your hair not bad.
Eyes! Where's my eyes? Yeah! But I'm going to go into the water, but I'm upstairs.
Yeah, but it's okay.
I think it's because it's hot, guys. They think it's too hot, but I think they can reach it. I think it's because of it. Ma! We'll just take it. I don't think I'm not gonna do it. I know.
that. We try the different one first. Why you just want to visit one place? Let's go.
Which one now?
The small one for kids. Your kids, right?
Well, not that.
To the place.
Where Cheryl can now swim?
Yes.
Come on, let's go. I think it's actually for the kids, actually. It's for the kids, yeah.
Ayo. Sama ikan.
We were just saying.
Don't run.
We were here.
Oh, bisa.
Yeah, guys, those are pool, the hot spring in Gracia Spa. Hayden, how do you think about it? How do you feel?
Good.
Do you like it? This place?
Yes.
Yeah, you look so don't have any more power. Actually, I am so busy this week, and then last week I just got sick. Yeah, and I'm getting better. And this place is relaxing, and it helped me recover, I guess, because it's so relaxing, and I'm so sleepy actually right now. So after this, we have dinner, and then go home and sleep. I think that's the best.
Go home.
Yeah, that's the fullest life, the fullest. And then but we will still continue go to the hot spring for a while before we go home, because Ariel, do you still want to go swim there? Masih mau berenang? Masih mau masuk? Pakai goggles? Oke. Kita pinjam gogglesnya dulu. Hayden juga ya? Oke, kita mau lanjut dulu. Berendam. Nanti kalau udah beres kita pulang ya, tidur nyenyak. Oke. Don't forget to
Subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
like, comment,
Comment.
and see you again on our next video in Play and Go!